RhinoShield cases for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Now I want to give a special shout out to RhinoShield for sending these cases, as you can see, over. So let's dive right in. We have the Crashguard by RhinoShield. Take a look at the packaging. The super tough bumper case that doesn't add bulk. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, 11 foot, 3.5 meter impact protection absorption, certified military grade and standard, and MIL STD 810G. RhinoShield, Crashguard on the box. Same thing on this side. Check out their website right there. Nothing on the bottom, and then nothing on top, or Crashguard on top actually. And then on the back, Crashguard, and go ahead and screenshot that if you want to read it, or pause the video, whatever. Shock spread, absorbs over 11 feet of impact. Watch our drop tests. So if you want to check that out, that's the site. Wow. Okay, put that to the side, and then this is the bumper case. We'll have a quick look. RhinoShield branding right there. Cool, let's just go ahead and we'll take the 20 and make sure I'm doing this right. We'll slide it in and we'll check it out. Oh, okay, now I'm liking the feeling of this bumper case. Now from the front, so it blends in perfectly with the black front of the S20 Plus. You flip it over, it's gonna look like this. Woo! Now, if you really wanna show off your phone and you don't want like a clear back case, you wanna still feel your phone, consider this case by RhinoShield. This is the Cosmic Gray, whether you have the blue one, the pink one, the black one, or the Jenny Red. It's gonna look sick back here, man. All right, let's take a look at the camera module. As you can see, there's the module, and then there's the rear lip of the case. So you do have some protection for the back glass and the back cameras. So have a look. I'm gonna flip it over, look at it from this side. See that raise right there. So drop protection, lay on the table design on the back side, you should be fine. And then on the front side, the front lip, same thing. Okay, so you drop it, should be fine on a flat surface. And then we'll take a look at the pre-installed screen protector that Samsung puts on. And I am not seeing, let me see. Yeah, I'm not seeing any interference with that. Cool. On the side, you have a lanyard cutout here. And nothing else on this side. On the bottom, cutouts, your mic, Type-C, and your speaker. On this side, RhinoShield branding. Have a good look. Power Bixby, volume rocker. On top, cutout for the mic. Let's go ahead and test the button. Not bad. And then we'll do the same thing to the volume rocker. Not bad as well. A tiny bit on the mushy side, but it's not bad. Take a look at the cutout for the front speaker. Have a look. And then let's see, where's my, now this should work for the wireless charge, obviously. There's nothing back here. So we'll just turn that on and then put the phone down. And then that should work. And if you're wondering, so this is the back side. And it just, the charger still fits on there. Like the case doesn't interfere with it or anything like that. So put that to the side. Cool. Feels really good. It's a thin case, obviously. So it still feels like a credit card. Yeah, man, this is sick, dude. If you're looking for something minimalistic, yet looking for decent protection, consider the Crashguard by RhinoShield. Yeah, man, this is a sick case. If you want to skin your phone, you want to show off the skin, you can obviously still see the skin back here. I don't see why that shouldn't work. It'd be cool if you get the teardown skin by D-Brand. That would look hella nice back here. This is the white Crashguard. So let's have a look at this one. Same thing as the black one, no differences, except for the color, obviously, RhinoShield. And on this one, let's take a look at the inside. You can see the inside a little bit better on the white one. You do have a honeycomb pattern on the inside of the bumper case. Same thing on the black one. All right, you can see a little bit better on the white. All right, let's go ahead and put the white one on. We'll see how it looks like on device. So you can see, now from the front, you get that white border. If you like this look, go with the white one. From the back, it's gonna look like this. Nice, so this is the white Crashguard. Have a look. The Solid Suit by RhinoShield. This is the packaging. Have a quick look. Very similar to the Crashguard. Screenshot that if you wanna look, or pause the video. We'll have a look at this one. Put that to the side, and then take off the plastic, put the plastic to the side, and then this is the case. Nice and soft finish here. Feels soft to the touch. And then on the inside, you do have this honeycomb pattern to help with shock absorption. And then here it says RhinoShield, developed in Cambridge, made in Taiwan. Let's go ahead and put the phone in. We'll have a quick look. Oh, this feels good. All right, from the front, black case, black border, blends in perfectly with the black front of the S20. Flip it over in the back, it's gonna look like this. You just want a simple matte black case that gives good protection. Consider this one from RhinoShield. Let's have a look at the camera bump. You can see the protection right there. Cutouts, lanyard cutout, RhinoShield branding, power Bixby, volume rocker, mic cutout. Go ahead and test out the button. Works as it should. Same thing for the volume rocker. We'll take a look at the front lip. You have a good amount of raise there. So your lay on the table design should be pretty good. We'll take a look at the wireless. Should work on this case. And it does. Very nice. Not a bulky case at all, so it still feels thin like a credit card. Feels really good to hold. This feeling, this material back here is nice. Nice and soft touch feel. High quality. Feels good. We'll have a look at the white one. Same honeycomb pattern on the inside. Compare it with the black. If you guys can't make up your mind, you don't know if you want black or white, have a comparison of the two right here on the back. All right, let's go ahead and put on the white one. Nice and easy. From the front, you get the white border. Flip it over, it's gonna look like this. Nice and clean. Same soft touch feeling here in the back. Have a quick look at this one. Sick. Another Solid Suit by RhinoShield. Now I'm excited about this one because you can probably see through the packaging. This one is in the carbon fiber pattern. And I love carbon fiber. Anything carbon fiber, I want it. So we'll have a look at this one. Take the plastic off, put that to the side, and then this is the case. Woo! Wow, nice. Look at that. Now, this is not actually carbon fiber, it's just a pattern that's printed on the case, but this looks sick. And then in the inside, same honeycomb pattern. But this is what I like. I'm excited for this one. We'll have a quick look. Okay, you flip it over. Woo! Now this is what I'm talking about. This might be the case I leave on the phone after I finish this video. Yeah, this is clean. Very nice. Okay, have a quick look. Same thing as the plain black version. Cutouts. All right. Take a look at the RhinoShield branding. Power Bixby, volume rocker, camera cutout. Yeah, all that's the same. Wireless charging should work, etc. But yeah, this looks sick. The cool thing about these RhinoShield cases is that you can customize it now. We'll take a look at this one. This one has my name on it that you can just have printed onto the case. So have a look at this one. Pretty nice. This one has RhinoShield branding on it. Looks pretty cool. Same honeycomb pattern on the inside. This one has a pretty nice drawing on it. This one looks badass actually. I might actually rock this one. This one is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and roll the clip. So if you're interested in any of these cases, I'll go ahead and put links in the description down below. And once again, I want to say a special thank you to RhinoShield for sending these over. Thanks for watching. Peace out.